Hey everyone, welcome to Dude Let's Draw. I'm Jen Yoko, and today we're going to be drawing Freddy Fazbear because the new Five Nights at Freddy's movie's finally coming out! Okay, to start, we're just going to draw his head. I am going to draw a circle. Make sure I'm on the right layer. Draw a circle for the top of his head, and then I'm going to draw a line down the middle like I usually do. And then I'm going to draw a cheeky cheek. So, like, I have, like, another half circle at the bottom of it. Right there. And then I'm going to put a line across where his cheeks are to indicate where the eyes go. And I'm just going to make, like, a little tiny square here for the ear and a little tiny square here for the ear. So, where the crosshair in the middle, I'm going to put his nose. And then I'm going to put Freddy's big old mouth. Big old mouth right here. Right in the middle. Isn't that cool? It's so easy, right? And now I'm going to get his eyes in there. I'm going to draw a round eye here. And a round eye here. And then get his eyebrows. Okay, I'm going to draw the pupils just for my sanity. Alright, now let's finish his ears. You're going to draw a line and then make it a little round. Right there. Another line, repeat. Same thing over here. A line and go over. Like so. Go in. And then get his hat. Now, hats are interesting. So, his hat's like a rectangle at the bottom. Okay. And then the top hat, slim at the bottom, so make it come out a little bit. Like at an angle. And round the top. I keep drawing too close to the top here. So, we'll zoom in. Now, let's get the bottom of his mouth ready, baby. So, we're going to draw a line here to get his mouth, and then a curve. And then move it inside, and we'll continue the curve. Gotta make sure you bow it. I'm going to erase a little bit on the inside just so I can see his teeth. So I'm going to just add some squares for the teeth. All right, add a tongue, and there you have it. Now, I'm going to outline him, and before I start, I'm going to click this, make sure to rename this clean, make sure to lower the opacity here, make sure you're on clean, go to my almost monoline outliner, select a black, and I'll be right back. Time to color him in. All right, and there you have it. Freddy Fazbear is here. All right, everybody, tell me what you think. Are you drawing along? Let me know in the comments below.